Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at this new winning product called ZS Body Bikini IPL 500,000 Flash Depilator Pulses Permanent Laser Epilator um, Painless for Women Hair Removal Home Use Devices. This is called a winning product for women because one is currently sold online. You can list it on Shopify, Woocommerce, and WeStore. It solves a particular problem. Removes the hair, that is, removes the hair around the body of women. As you can see, 500,000 flashes can be used for full body hair removal. It can remove hair accumulated on the armpit region of females. It can also remove hair on their other parts of the body, including the private region. That is the key problem it solves, and it is seen as a high passive value. It is user friendly, and also it is it can be used to target the influencer niche. That is targeting beauty. That is targeting female beauty influencers. It currently has 4.9 star reviews on AliExpress. The listing is ZS official store. They've been on AliExpress, as you can see. This store has been open since June 24, 2021. You can see their business information. You can click here to contact them and negotiate the price and the quantity. It is, as for new user bonus, you can see it is US 24.04 USD. That is the cost price listed on AliExpress 24.04 USD. It comes with different color variation: black, pink, and white. It currently has 19 reviews with 445 orders. It comes with different plug type: US plug, EU plug, UK plug, and AU plug. It also has free shipping from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Estimated delivery is on April 29. My time of recording this video, this is March 31st, 2022. So um, if you are shipping to United States, UK, Canada, customers expect the product to arrive 7 to 14 days. But on AliExpress, it's listed it stated that the product is going to arrive on April 29. The customers can be patient if you state on your Shopify or WooCommerce or Restore that this is a high passive value product, and because of the orders and the nature of the products, that they will receive such products on April 29. However, the best marketing tactics to sell this product is beauty influencers, that is targeting USA beauty influencers. As you can see, it ships to the United States. I suggest when selling this product, you target mainly the United States to get more customers. And when you are using marketing strategy, you use mainly um, Instagram female beauty influencers in the US. Let's check other shipping options, more options. You can see it has only one shipping method available: free shipping from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Smart delivery is on April 29. And I advise you always go for shipping that is tracked, as you can see, shipping is currently tracked. So if you decide to go for this product or sell this product on your Shopify, Woocommerce, or Restore, I suggest you specify the date of arrival and target mainly the US to sell this product using mainly Instagram female beauty influencers. Now let's look at the marketing strategy, analyze marketing strategy. Why are we using female beauty influencers, and the cost price, the proposed gross profit, and the proposed selling price. The marketing strategy to sell such products is mainly to target USA Instagram female beauty influencers. Why is that? We're going to look at that in a moment. This is so easy because now, why do we use beauty Instagram influencers for your marketing strategy? One, it doesn't look like actual advertising. What do we mean? When we are using Instagram female beauty influencers, mainly based in the US, since the followers already trust the influencer, there's a way the influencer is going to post such product on that page. It will look like actual advertising, and since they've developed trust um, on since they develop trust with such influencers due to our consistent posts related to the beauty niche, It won't actually look like advertising. Secondly, Instagram influencers or Instagram female beauty influencers have already built trust and relationship with their followers. Like what I said initially, they've already built them trust, which is accumulated with time and based on the content they post, and such content is loved by their followers. Thirdly, use new unsaturated micro Instagram beauty influencers with with between 5,000 to 50,000 followers and between 10,000 to 70,000 followers. This is a grammatical error, so I apologize for that. However, um, if you are going to be using decide to use Instagram female beauty influencers in the US, I suggest you send out close to 100. You get close to 100 Instagram female beauty influencers in the US and send them a DM and with an email template with an email template, telling them with the headline collaboration um, for products or collaboration um, with your brand. Now, if you can get close to, let's say you let's say you are able to negotiate um, and strike a deal with influencers. I suggest you go for influencers 5,000 to 50,000 followers. Why? Most of them within the 5,000, 50,000, if you can get them, are saturated and unsaturated. Go for one that is unsaturated, that is not stuff with a lot of promotions. Go for the ones that are still coming up, like that's why I said 5,000 to 50,000, and has a good engagement rate. That is, it's not fake followers. Um, the followers are truly engaging with the influencers and content that they post on a daily basis. You can also go for followers between 10,000 to 70,000 followers. The engagement rate you should look out for is for Instagram influencers should be between 3 to 3.5% engagement rate. You can also go for 2.5% engagement rate. If you can't find such influencers manually, you can visit them Fiverr and you see site sellers. Visit Fiverr and you'll see gigs selling influencers and services. That is, you'll find them USA female beauty Instagram influencers in the beauty niche. Going further, you use Instagram female beauty influencer because the influencers will earn a commission when working with them or one-time payment. What does this mean? It means that if you are going to sell your product on your Shopify or Woocommerce store and we store, you should work with Instagram female beauty influencer in USA that will mainly collect commission on sales. This is the best advice in 2022 by installing a plugin on your Shopify or Woocommerce store whereby you are able to give a unique coupon code to the Instagram female beauty influencers so that once each time they make such posts, maybe once a week, and the followers intent after looking at and being aware of the product, they consult to buy and they convert some followers to paying clients or paying customers on your Shopify Wocommerce store. Once they drive such customers to your site, they get a commission for such sales. In that way, it motivates them to work and also to develop unique content to post on their Instagram page in order to make more sales. Going further, what is the cost price of the product? Cost price on AliExpress is 24.04 USD. The shipping cost is zero when you decide to sell and target only the US customers base. However, the gross profit is going to be 25.95 if you decide to sell at 20, if you decide to sell at 49.99 USD or 49.95 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.